Welcome to Math Beyond Borders. Mathematics Simplified. Geniuses, in today's video, let's talk about working with index function, right? Index or indices when you call it. And it's kind of simple if you get it, but I understand that sometimes students feel confused with it, and that's why this video. Let's clarify it, all right? So come on, so let's look at it together, okay? So what is an index? Yeah, so if I write 2 to the power, let's say 4, this 4 is the index function. Yeah, so 2 to the power 4 is the index, 2 is the base number. It is called with a lot of names. You might, in your book, it might be called with a different name. Just follow along. I have my own names for it. Yeah, you also call this power or raised to the power. Sometimes, depending on where you are learning it, it might be different, right? So what are index functions? Yes, so 2 to the power, let's say 2 is a square, 2 to the power 3 is a cube. There are names further, but you can simply say the number 2 to the power 4, 2 to the power 5, 5 to the power 8, right? 6 to the power 10 is just power and the base number, okay? Now one trick, there are 2 or 3 tricks I am going to tell you here, so just pay attention because it's going to be super easy after that. So if you ever have the same base, you can add the powers. So let me write the formula for you, right? A to the power x, or let's remove the x, because x and multiply will confuse us a lot. So let's say a to the power z times a to the power y equals a to the power z plus y. Okay, so if the base is same, you can add the powers. Okay, so if I have 2 to the power 4 times 2 to the power 8, I can simply do it 2 to the power 4 plus 8. And what is 4 plus 8? Is it 25? No, it's 2 to the power 12. Okay, let me show you one more example. Follow along because it's easy and confusing at the same time, right? So if the base is same, power can be added, but the base has to be exactly the same. Okay, so for example, if I have a number 10 to the power 7 times 10 to the power 21 times 10 to the power 4, I can add these powers. So 10 to the power 7 plus 21 plus 4. Can you add it for me? 7 plus 21 is 28 and plus 4 is 32. So my final answer will be 10 to the power 32. Okay, so that's with the multiplication. All right, now let's look at division, right? Let me quickly clear the screen up and we will do the same thing as division. So let's say if you have a to the power z divided by a to the power y. Now when it was a multiply here, we added the power, yes? Now it's a divide, so we will minus the power. If you guessed it, awesome. A to the power z minus y. First power minus the second power. Okay, always. It cannot be the other way, right? Because that will change the series. So for example, if I had 5 to the power 4 divided by 5 to the power 3, I will just do 5 to the power 4 minus 3, which is equal to 5 to the power 1, which is equal to just 5. Okay, so this is what you do with multiply and divide, working with indexes. Yes, there is more to it, but that will again include some negative integers, and we will get there in the next video. So till then, keep learning, keep questioning. Bye.
Thank you for learning with us. Please share the video with those who you think may need it. Also, if you want to request a topic, put that in the comments section. So until the next video, Keep learning, keep questioning. Bye.